There are 4 basic hardware necessities that you need for teaching English online. Number 1, a device or a laptop. Number 2, a webcam. Number 3, a good headset. And number 4, a router. Firstly, you want to look at your laptop. I have quite a monster of a laptop. It's a Lenovo IdeaPad 500. It is an i7, 8 gig, terabyte hard drive, and I do have a backup computer, which is an i3, 4 gig RAM, and there is a huge difference between the two, obviously. On my backup computer, when I teach, I would only have a browser open, teaching platform open, and communication app open. Anything more than that, and the computer starts to drag. So the idea would be to get something in between the two. When you apply to teach the English language schools, would most likely ask you to send a screenshot of your computer specs. Now this is not anything funny or suspicious. They basically want to make sure that your device has enough memory to run the applications required. To give you an idea, when you're teaching English online, you will have several communication apps. So it would be WeChat, DingTalk, one of those. Then you'll also have the teaching platform, usually an app that you download. You will have to have your browser open so you can go in and out of the platform from there. And you would most likely also have software such as ManyCam. And you need to be able to run all of those simultaneously without your laptop crashing or slowing down.